Yeah, ewo nyina say Western region a very interesting part of Ghana. They can say in terms of resources by Western region is one of the major regions. Ghana Maimu Omune provided many of the resources. Sabu Ghana for headed to your home asa for hene. Ebini gold, ebini cocoa, ebini bauxite, many things. Natural resources part there, Western region of Ghana. Ehona yenya pipa apiati asi ane your friend is saying. Na CBS car be also dynamite. Nye dynamite ya obsando yako tu yeni bio. Me kan dynamite ya yedi ya juma ewo mining site. Eko is produce ya amanfu wu yeno. That was in the Western region. And the Western region is a very vast area. Esopa area hono esopa enye district enye region ketwa. Na eho ene yewura Dr. Bawumia efiri hafwa no region no campaign no odi ko PM wo ho. Na Dr. Kowura eko PM wo Western region a oye ne campaign no. Bawumia bema enema esisi wo ho no. Enkrofo mo aba abonten a omo dikire omo support for Dr. Bawumia no. Omo dodo any their weight in the party. You can say the party grassroots no. Emu edrupa. Enti ano ma wo akwanya ema o transidwen eko wanima. Utimu say yes. Afiwe Yewura Bawumia last time when you 61%. Sa afiwe papa we wanya kuranya ne 70%. Because ensisamuna eba no. Enipa na omo ahyase omo endorse Dr. Bawumia gradually ye hu say more that the campaign goes on every day, every that time. Delegates no do na no and shifted from one camp eba Dr. Hono. Bibi actually said the TV Dr. Bawumia with a massive percentage. Kanso hu say afiwe no. Canada Japan, my Canada be say onyane te said the onyane 2023 no. Sa 37% no afiwe onya. Denti onyane say enye Dr. Bawumia kwa no ni si akan. Omo ani omo si akan no so omo kita omo bobre. Sa nkrofo na land free competition no mu ana omo ayo mo ho yenka ne say akunafo ma no ana say be kese omo na omo ni agya wo party no omo de sabio awreho koto abade ma Canada Japan no sa afi omo nkoto aba ma agya Canada Japan because we nipa binom etise bra chempon wo ho ye wo kwabra agye Japan so wo mu bi ye wo yewura yaw osei adu kim so wo mu bi enti sa afi we Kennedy on fan it said your fan last year odi atu ne ho safo hena na me no ka say de yate nsenkura yate efiri underground ne say papa ne sika sem kura no ho ayedene because said na utumi etisika e de man crofo in the previous elections no sabre we papa no utumi entisika sa emfa momo adentia this time the MPP is in opposition na so MPP ni bia so na you also in opposition enti contract sem ni sika sem ana ebufa papa ne nsem dodo a na manu so ntia na otumi to ne bottom yi sika kese de ma amanfo to won ma omudi na chi no afi we ya manesa so all these things join together no ebema amanfo no will use their minds, the resonant mind adwene ye adwuma kekase ani adwene ko akiri na amanfo edi begina so akwakoto aba abato no mbukwa akotoro ne this time enkoye hwan ne ma sika na hwan na masika na ma obeye hwan na yedi na chi obetumi achitumi edi amaye in 2028 and for that reason no MPP ni ba na udo Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia meka cho se oda na wada ai ma menka nsi biem so ye wura Dr. Bawumia ne supporter na opese doctor emedi MPP anima meka cho se oda na wada oda wotumi da ntia oda wotumi da ne se bibia eda akwan mu pefe say doctor is going to win because say the medical come sense subiem no sabre we enye sika ena ye kutua e de ato vote na mmom no e the preference of the people nipa wonim de nipa omoginu so omo ono na betumi akwakoji tumi de abra amanyukuo no eno ena amanfo no bekwa akoto abade amano delegacy no enti no this time ameno kasai enne ya ameno kasai any day bia no Dr. Bawumia camp no enipa efiri akire yi eba beka ho enipa free camp foforo eba beka ne camp no ne ebeka ne campaign team no ho because papa no yesi enne ne bottom sika na oyi de che oyi de to amanfo adwene in the previous elections no sika no eso ate ena ontumi nyi sika na say because MPP opposition na say opposition so no so e opposition enti contract no enti se first no enti ontumi nyi sika do mfa nkoto amanfo vote. That is how ena mesunsuntia. This time that I'm talking to you, Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia is winning. Or winning according to the research and from no. Or winning with the high with the heavy voter ebe bro di onyane 2023 so. Enti your doctor ni fie ni o support doctor mawakoma ento yam na odanso anawada. Don't worry, we are going to win. The ebe here ne say yebe guswa ne ebe ya jumaden ne de abo papa yi ne ho dawuro yie e de akere Ghana man especially MPP delegates na omo guswa anya gidie e wo papa nom na omo ato abama no said the na me come say first me kasa na me voice no na enye kama entie bia na wante yewura Dr. Bawumia ekopie mu Western region no enye masesa nkora ka wo say last year yekoto aba no Canada Japan yan vote ebo Western region pa but afiwe e man sada enna ye nyina ye wo ha enna amanfi West Canada Japan campaign secretary ewo constituency ho ono anka se nanti begina bonten kan kire Ghana fo nyina se ene de ono na no ye secretary ma Canada Japan ewo constituency ho wajai onye secretary Emma Kennedy biem osi de ntia wa manager ni nyina ne se wa hu se sansem na ye kafa Dr. Bawumia ho no ni nyina no na ye ntro enti ono no wasesa ne camp oba doctor ho na wo so nim se ye de ye entitim ye yim ye nim se MPP ni bia MPP ni ye nim de ba ya che ene de ba ye nchede ye de ni ma ne se we obia we committed to stay with the party and to do the right thing that will make the party come in power. It's an eye wo and Amenfi West secretary to Canada Japan. Ndia se mo ebeto about.
Kenina ne say empempe ameno ka say me na meye constituency campaign secretary Emma Era Kennedy Japan ene mejai because the Bible says you may see the truth and the truth shall set you free. Matese who say some mo kafa Bawumia ho kire me nyina no na ye ntro sem kwa anunti ende digina ha me confess actually the whole constituency machidifo amaba mo na so in various polling stations upon say ye medi free adwuma mu yi mo ina bet matter say me the first constituency officer ya to aba we me visit mo say me ba le chia ma hwese na mo visit me ba me ye campaign fa mu asuma me ka kire mu ina no enne matesama no.
Okay, enti we one of the Kennedy Japan constituency chairman for the Canada Japan to be the president campaign. Ono na bejina bonten atuna numutuo. Na ensem na ekoso Western region hono. Ema me ho kura ye mede. They say the Western region has tend to be the stronghold of Yewura Dr. Bawumia. Dienti ameka ne sa ene Yewura Dr. Bawumia kopie mu wo Pristia, Huni Valley constituency se oko na one delegates akodi nkomo. Bra. Yewura ekoduru ho a Pristia Honibali constituency, Letra area coordinators in Prestia Hunivari constituency. Omuye nipa mako 32. Abusia, ye wura Bawumia kuduru hona oni delegates kasa ye ewie ya. Delegates da bi yantoba se papa manko ye wa asem kan kire wo. Doctor ewo hwana enipa na omuye 32 na omo na omo coordinate all the electoral areas no ewo ho no. How omo na omo represented there MPP for no ekire. Abijina bonten say omo no 28 out of the 32 of them no they are with Dr. Bawumia. Na bra me kan yo me say he Nyankopon de washira no otamfo intumi ensesa no. In a Rastafarian life and in a Jamaican tune, in a Jamaican language, we have to say, now who jabres, no man cares. That's what is happening. The economy say, Yewura Kufo, J. Kufo Kamayati said, Dr. Bawumia is the man of destiny. Yewura Nanado Danko Kufuado Akase, Dr. Bawumia is the man of destiny. About 67-65 MPs in Parliament has spoke out to say Dr. Bawumia is the man of the destiny, the man who to lead the party. All the former appointees of Nanado Danko Kufuado, the immediate past administration of the MPP, they are in support of Dr. Muhammad Bawumia. The former MCs, former DCs for Omunyina say they are in support with Dr. Muhammad Bawumia. And delegates across the country, the length and the strength of the country say they are in support with Dr. Bawumia. And the actually be say Nyankopon shirawo na okase wo sa ni pasimasi a wugina hoyi. Ohonhom no ade we na media hyem ko na kokyere koye kyere gan ukromufo na omunhu de mema urade Nyankopon mo dia kyewa enipa bia ni ho betumi agina baabi atumi asesa wo hyebra Nyankopon e de ahye omu apra ye wo de wabawi ase. Na you know papa we gurum ne ho se what politics are sepa ye na GH me ba wa ba se what papa we what politics ye pa na ohwe ne dimina the way this man conduct himself kwanya papa we faso na oni nipa kasa minka obi odene ho. I'm talking about a nipa enti enipa bia ukwa Dr. Bawumia faso ni nipa kasa e kire wo say this man is a gift. It's a gift to Ghana. Me say kan bi ma say kan si say e yen mom na yehia doctor o enye doctor na hia yen e your mind Ghana na da ho no ene hia nipa bi say Dr. Bawumia so obedi anim. Say papa wabɔ braduru babia waduru yi. Papa na brabom wamfa ni agro. Papa wanya nimdeɛ na wo dibre ewo nipa dasani anim. Etimi bre ne ho ase to this level to go house to house, district to district, constituency to constituency, church to church, mosque to mosque to encounter with the people. Ebeye den ena papa we wu ne kosia akanya onwe obawe obawe basa ene na ekoso no enti the 28 out of the 32 electoral area coordinators in Prestia Hunibari constituency no the omo anhu ne wo Dr. Bawumia mu no eno ho asem ena me no kan. They went there, they listened to the man. They heard what he spoke about, what he wants to offer the country as Ghana, and what he wants to offer a party called MPP. Enye sika ene ede koto nkrofo we se omoma dikrema Dr. Bawumia. Enya dada ene ede ko dada won. Namom the prancer, the leader himself. Eko jina wananim outline editre wong. And no nama yede adi wong mu say they have to support the man. Now, but listen. Obi ohon tenye masinti obane ye kanchire ne say electoral area coordinators 28 out of 32. Omo declare the ama Dr. Bawumia. Onti asienti no obebisa wase na eho no delegates do se na wo ho. Ma me kanchire say Pristia Huni Valley constituency delegates e wo ho 600. But una wonti asemase no obi onti asemase be kanchire say na 600 coordinators delegates na ho na emu 28 adikra ma Dr. Bawumia. What are you jubilating about? Sa na obi be kan omo amonte how politics works, the architecture of politics no sa na obi kan. Now let me explain before somebody may ask. The woman say amanyo sem no die ni mu no onyina ho mane ho. Miya wesin kofi mu akwa papa. Nipa na odi animu ewa amanyo semu no onyina ho mane ho. Ogina ho ewo nipa binom edin mu. Enti se nipa ni gina ho ma nipa binom edin mu a decision bi obeteke no in ewo sa nkrofo no ogina ho ma omo no omudinem. Anya hwe no 51+1 majority na man sa akwanya no so nkoka. Enti say the democracy na ye bibia na ye ya amanyo sem dia ene na mbese men kan kire o say sa 28 electoral area coordinators na omugina omwanamu edema Hunivari for MPP for mo horo delegates no omwom no anya hwe no emu 70 to 80% ene sa nkrofo we eyedako enye sa omo mfa omo position a omo party num and to lie to come out and say there with Dr. Bawumia because yes delegates no more form hono omo na otena bi say this 28 electoral area coordinators na kwa kope gina brebia gina one na beto aba e de ayi won it they will never they omo ntumi mfa omo position to lie can there a form for no and can kire won. That is what makes this declaration, this endorsement, very, very potential. I was on there say nipa 700 and a woman very hwa. Anya no 500 plus in support with what these 28 coordinators are saying. And Dr. Atene upside down the Western region and almost every region and constituency a doctor did na besino and nam the good words a papa way edinamuntino it change the narrative. It makes people really comes to know who Dr. Bawumia is. Yenti video way na yemna sisia meso se bo modern na subscribe na share a comment na ehu se waba ai kunya entry comment so na wa comment so na ehu ni achia. Yenti video way abrana the 28 for no e declare mo support e de ama yewura Dr. Bawumia yeba ne ato aso.
So electoral areas coordinators wa ha omo ye 28 omo amugina ha edi sa adwumai omo ye 28 out of 32 electoral area coordinators. Omo assignment is simple. Omo say omo tie campaign e cost so far na so omo ameye sa de we ya omo da omo nda enti so omo gina ha omo hye NPP amanyoku nyina abo ene Dr. Bawumia bo ese 28 out of 32 electoral area coordinators ewo Pristia Huni Valley constituency omo declare omo support they are my Dr. Bawumia. Kukuru GMB
Dr. His Excellency Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, behalf of Christian Huni Valley 32 lecture area coordinators, Nyaya Kacha will say, we are behind you. It's your toe, a real bow, a home throw. You see, Yani police station calling in our carbon. Nyaya Kacha will say, we are moving forward. Yakoko for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Thank you.
Aha. Enti Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia corner the Nensa Kototo. Electoral area coordinators for Christian Huni Valley and some other Omase. Edumana Omo Yedada. Edumana Omo Yedada. Into Omo reaffirmo Omo support for Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Umpewe ya kofoka ba kono na kohwiegu sa umpewe ya kofoka ba kono na kohwiegu. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, the support base keeps growing and growing. No wonder he is the most marketed, most prepared and most winnable.
Media me wo aban me wo politics mo say me pese me boa enipa enye se me hwehwe sika enye sika nti na me wo politics mo me be kai mo say ye be ye mobile money interoperability no na NDC for say o mo pese o mama contract aye saade no for 1.2 billion dollars. $1.2 billion. Ye ba ye na me ka say we die o mo bibie sika enti mempene so ene ye cancel no ekoye saadia edi mfaso bebre abre no ekostiyen $4.5 million endu $5 million po na mo pese mo gi 1.2 billion. So you save Ghana over $1 billion, $1.1 billion. Ya save Ghana. Anka esikana mehwehwe anka menya sekapa anya sa. But ya yena sa. Anka we nyina be ye ka eda ye nyina ye ti so a ye betua. Enti enye sika nti na me ba politics mo. Me pese me buo nipa said ye me ye no. Media me wo aban me wo politics mo say me pese me boa enipa enye se me hwehwe sika enye sika nti na me wo politics mo me be kai mo say ye be ye mobile money interoperability no na NDC for say o mo pese o mama contract aye saade no for $1.2 billion. $1.2 billion. Ye ba ye na me ka say we die o mo bibie sika enti mempene so ene ye cancel no ekoye saadia edi mfaso bebre abre no ekostiyen $4.5 million endu $5 million po na mo pese mo gi 1.2 billion. So you save Ghana over $1 billion, $1.1 billion. Ya save Ghana. Anka esikana mehwehwe anka menya sekapa anya sa. But ya yena sa. Anka we nyina be ye ka eda ye nyina ye ti so a ye betua. Enti enye sika nti na me ba politics mo. Me pese me buo nipa said ye me ye no.
Enti asem we ena sabio de Huni Valley electoral area coordinators from Pristia in the western region. Omodi ato abonten say omoni omo constituency and delegates ni nyina no. Of all the 28 coordinators no omugina ho no, they are all in support of Dr. Bawumia. Now obi bisa say assemble na nkrofo we yatia omo aba abonten a omo decrease. Now Dr. Bawumia okasa, he speaks in parables. He say we obi a odwene ko atire na politician ba wo nchen na odisika mom na edi hye onsem se gye na koto abamamia. First of all, we have to understand say ɛyɛ wo daakye ɛna watɔn agye ho sika. Because as sika na politician and they ma oneno ochina, he will take it back from your own pocket. And the doctor is resounding with the people at the ground. They say, bema, but I can assure you, say, I'm going to govern the country with the ODS too. Once no benya will share. Once no benya will share. Every constituency will have 10 appointments in government directly. Every constituency. And the grassroots no burden no will not only be on the MCE or the DCE. Ebenya CEOs almost every constituency. And the CEOs also can employ the youth at the constituency level to make sure that they will recruit more of the MPP delegates and supporters to have an employment in the society. Sansem wo ye nyansa wo ma to aso no. Woka e de kire delegate. Ono no prefer that than say obema ne 15 million and nessa on jinkodi. Dia na odebeto akoko. Ana odebeto mo. Odiri 3, 4, 5 days ya asa 1 week. Akona nima 1 month sikanasa. But Bawumia is preaching on how he will level people to be part of the government. How to fish. Yes, or Munji are drink no money. That be Jena ko you wagene dear. A hona yankupon boa, with me a drink a seer, with me a drink a toa, with me dear sopa. More than say, he had 15,000, and I had 5,000, and I had 20,000, but bro said G, Nadi, no. Sansem way, a yansa, semi a nice preacher. So only nipa kasana who can same way the chile nipana. Automatically, it sounds good in the mindset of the person. Unless he say a fruit direction for no. I said, but BSC be a mensan wom. Enti a fruit direction for no dear. Okona catch no say be a sabio, yen shisha na yentime meldia part and na yibinya to me. Yen yenya babinjina on tiwasie. On tiwasie. In fact, Dr. Bawumia on nam hoyi. Your papa bi wo ye party mu a, o se Bawumia ye friend good to see you. Adentia. O se ukoshia Dr. Bawumia on usika. But your back say it has been good to see you. To him no. Why should you have to vote for somebody who shawa on fat ne bottom sikana or mine sikam fan chow? Number one back says it's good to see you. These are the characters of people. 31st January, yekoto aba wonso. Dear, nanjune say, or disikabet me ato unyansa, or disikabet me ato unim dear. Any dear dune say, you are human enough. I was say, ma wakwanya, na wonsu untumi ansibete. Yo, yankan say, adoma chede yankupon dia mau, na wonfanyo hu ye. Men ya ba mi ya be ma oheme. Sa nipa mienu we. Why and I'll prefer no in your life. That is no reason. That is the reason why. All the constituency young can say leaders now more MPP more submitting forms to be elected. No, Dr. Bawumia tia muhusi kadema muse monje na monko fele forms no because he believe in human empowerment more than say or this guy must say Gina Kudi. Or see, can I invest on yourself and become somebody in the future? That is the man we are talking about. The crossing carpet na ye huno all is going in favor of Dr. Bawumia. The ideas, the messages Dr. Bawumia is sending across are the right message. You as a human being, we should expect from politicians. Enye jisho bottom notna, mabijina hoa yo. Kabole memo wakwaba. Enye se jisho bottom koto diani di. Jina fa koto diani ma oma notna. Mabijina TV sudi do attempt se obakura no. Upesi kama na koto diani di mihona obaye. No. Let me help you to build yourself so that you can cater for yourself. Yeni brefo, Dr. Bawumia yeni breni. Dr. Bawumia, on peso be who so yen yes massa. He want you to be your boss of yourself. That is the difference between the two people that we are talking about. Now, message ya Dr. Bawumia de kwa bontena ama amanfo atugu ne so ama delegates enhu de omwom a camp no da bia da na eye no me be bobia chiro na watie what people are saying about the messages of Dr. Bawumia spread it across the country. Yenti message ni bi na emna sisia.
From Ahafo region to Western North, our journey together with Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia continues to inspire hope among the grassroots of the New Patriotic Party. In Sisha Kontombra, Awin, Swaman or Bibieni, the journey to meet every party executive is driven by Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia's vision and a deep belief in empowering every constituency across the nation.
Yeah, dear, you hope we now say Dr. Baba 2028. So cross over from Kra, Dr. will come. No bearing so I shall be a dear Munyam. If you saw about politics, we maintain so I can say Obia the Bia Nasam your boko and until Mammy Donno.
Oh, the Abel of the Dr. Bofuda. What will be that? Catch them. And see, winning now, my papa dance. So what we want to tell our delegates from other constituencies is that, in fact, we are giving Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia over 80%. And what we are expecting from each and every one is that
the enthusiasm was all over, because whether you go to Beer East, Beer West, go to Bodi or Joabuso or Sofiwi also. I mean, Sofiwi also, of course, because it's urban, was really, people came much more easily and the noise was very high in Sofiwi also. But I saw enthusiasm all over, and I want to thank all the delegates who showed up across all the constituencies. The enthusiasm was infectious, and I'm very, very happy about what is going on here in Western North.
And say, ye be 3,000 specifically for the constituencies. 3,000 appointments.
In Western North, Dr. Bawumia's message of empowering every constituency resonates deeply, bringing his message of inclusive governance and leadership to the grassroots.
Now, I tell you how they pray and say, Obama will be a debre, a do. Yeah, delegating will be a benyan so, and an idea.
Your proposal of 10 appointments per constituency across the length and breadth of this country seem to be going down well with our delegates. What else have you identified, and what problem is this proposal supposed to solve?
Well, it is an issue of inclusion. Fundamentally, you can see one of the things I've identified, that when you have appointments that are made when we come into government, you can see many constituencies that don't have any substantive appointments. Appointments. You're talking of CEOs, deputy CEOs, ministers, deputy ministers, chairmen of boards of directors and members of boards of directors, ambassadors. These sorts of appointments, many constituencies don't have them.
Dr. Bawumia wants to ensure that every corner of Ghana has a seat at the table of decision making. To many party executives, this journey has been a message-based campaign.
I don't know your point beer. Who will beer is as a so here because apart from DC, you need appointments be over here. Tabiano na ya nijina DC suna DC me kwaye wa mama dro wa mama kokol dro wa mama fet me ba me den kwaye wa mfime
Kai who say nipa 9 e kan ho anka de na besie ye nso bia west emre bi baba se ye wura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia be president na ye ka si wasomasi no firi bia west a ye ka board chairman asomasi no firi bia west a se ye ka deputy minister no firi bia west ha se ya menia e ya de a atoma koma so na wura makoma num
o de sa policy ne ba ebeboa ebeso wo bia so se mimi wo mu a ne boa mimi ogina nchen.
And so the problem I'm solving is one of exclusion, and I'm trying to make sure that out of the 7,000 or so appointments that the president is able to make, that we can devote about 3,000 to the constituencies. 276 constituencies will break down to about at least 10 appointments per constituency.
The One Constituency 10 Appointment Initiative is not just a slogan. It is a bold commitment to equitable representation, giving back to the men and women who continue to build the new patriotic party and ultimately the nation Ghana.
Yes, let's win with Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. Number 3. Adebia mu edrubia no ye paja ye maso 1 2 3 aja oba ene hohom kronkro. Jekufo Nanado and Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Bawumia. This is what is on the board and no one can change it. Abusia. So utien sem na Bawumia country delegates na we a message. This is not about attack. Ya na ye bi anokase ye party no ayemre ewo form. Say da bia ye kase ye party na ayemre wo form. Na say ye party na ayemre wo form dia kwan ben so na ye befa so a ye betumi ase ye paja party no mamu ayeduru. The way that we can do that and say Yebe empower the grassroots of the party. How can you empower the grassroots of the party? It is by giving the grassroots to an opportunity, possibilities in the governance. So yes, sir. The youth in the constituencies, in the communities, will see the progress in the party. They will feel love with the party because Obi Papa Benya Juma because of young people need. Obi wofa ebenya ba bia kwa akoshe because of young people ni obi ba benya school bia ko because of young people ni obi papa obenya fatraza ye na afuo because of young people ni obi papa can benefit from government initiatives because CEO na be kwa akoto initiative of planting and planting for food and job no ebetime kwa ko free German South say o ko free ho dia na na say more probably no the constituencies or more farmers they can benefit from that initiative. And this is how I build back the bones of the party because NASC party na titia enye atemudie ene betumi di asesa party no ana enye we nom ya kronfo we nom di omoba omo ndwene mo ho enye no na ebe ya ebetumi ma party ne aso na sorry ejina ne nan so said the net tear that have been na mbom no kwan ya ebe fa so ye de nhihye ebe to form e constituency level ho na encourage the people at the bones to build up to feel part of being a group, being part of a group no and no mbom ne betumi ejina so ama constituency level no emu aye den aye close so constituency level no ye closer automatically it will bring numbers at the police stations. And to way na ya there was say we MPP niya won for one into so and no mom na ye the initiatives I say won pena won tie enye initiative for me ba me bi enyuma obele na wa bi enyuma dabi what me produce. What is the sense in that? And in TNA, Dr. Bawumia, Atumias upside were turning the Western region into Bawumia's stronghold because of the importance that he gives. Importance of the delegates, and resonate with the ideologies, the principles of the MPP party. Papa, when I met on the amount, Papa na onim se enipa dasani emfa ho ne babia wo firi emfa ho ne sika wo busuawo Nyankopon amo adoma chede bia e wo se yemma wakwanya na wo so wontumi exhibit. That is why we are coming with the one constituency, 10 appointment in government appointment. And in the constituency help decks, eba constituency was said ebe MPP niba. Asem to or how biba waswa. Ubenya babi obetimi adane wani ako bisamwa say ye mwa na yetumi ejina party na namu ede aboa. What say we are say ye way ye wo makuo ukwa so dan mu a ye wo makuo e makuo no enye se wo ye makuo kwa wo bibi to wa utumi kwa makuo fo panyina nim de koto na nim e ma ye sofo ma wo saa so na se ya wo constituency level no ye tumi de ntoto ye bi ba ye te sa se ejina homa party no se party ni ba wo hawa nipa we ho na kona ko kan kire na. That is a good way to build the party back. Dr. Sobema wakwenya mauni na ishia once a year when he is a president. Na epache o sese bi osi MP ena oka wa asem kire no onye mawa. Enti president na wushia na oka wa asem kire wa onye mawa. He will do it. Wantimi anya kura he will tell you how you can do it. This is what we are talking about. This is a campaign message of Dr. Bawumia. Resonate well with the situation and MPP for you. Final. Ya temudie. We enyame wosika. We enyame na medi we baye. Enyame na me kofa nkukofunu baye. Enyame na me tonko bi dabi. Tell us what you can do for the party to rebuild himself. And that is exactly what Dr. Bawumia is doing. Enti nkrofo no omose omo atete wo wiem say some constituency bi ombenya zero vote omo nte ase no. And omonshi ase na omonkopa soja for mra because said ye tie bia there are many constituencies I said mubedi yen delegates kasa. We know what is going on. People are tired of selling their vote for money. Omo are tired because omo say after all otoni vote to maw na woman sika wia onne anu biem na yina nso yenim how you people use money to abuse us. Mumu ya hiafo ya kasa mon kama no ntum. Ai. Mumu ya hiafo se ye kasa mon kama no ntum. Enti enempo amoni tumi ena moye we kire ye. Na sabi mu benya tumi ene na nka yawu. So abusia Bawumia is changing the narrative of politics in the country. Papa no or the nsesaye kese ba manyo se mu e Ghana pa. Pwenti adalegates nyina no atu edidi nachi. Now I want to show you this video and you see how people were actually celebrating the presence of Yura Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia. Here we are.